Dog? Wow. Is that the dog? You're not going to talk now? You're destroying things. Oh, where did that come from? Say hey. I think. Hold on, move your hands. Mommy will do this just so you can show your grandma. This is our favorite task. No more, that's bad. Move your hands. Hey. I love the bathroom. I love to play in the tub.